Hello, my viewers, and welcome to Ayesha's Twin Nails Art and Crafts Gallery. My name is Ayesha, and if today is your first time of coming across my channel, you are most welcome. Please endeavor to subscribe and turn on your first bell icon that says all. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up for like. Don't forget to comment and share the video. Today, we're going to do some crocheting. So please stay tuned as you join me through this crocheting tutorial, basic crocheting tutorial. So I have my crochet wools here in different colors. These are the mini ones. This is the multicolor wool. This is a baby pink, and it has some sort of glitters in there. And I have the also blue, purple, pink color. I have red. I have a red one here as well. And then a very thick fleece one. So I think this one is a bit tight. I'm trying to unravel it. Yeah. So ensure. So I'm gonna start off by wrapping the wool around my finger. Also, there's another way of doing it. I'll try and show you. And then I'm going to start off by taking some of the and then using it to wrap around, and then try and then just put it back in there, scoop it, take one, scoop, another one, scoop, then another one, scoop, scoop into one, try and so I'm gonna do this a couple of times, and then once I get the desired, I'm going to remove it from my nail or my index finger, and then work on it at a much faster pace. Yeah, so I'm going to remove it in order to be much faster, and then I'm just going to try and so ooh. So this is how it's looking now. That's the base. to 2 and then 1. We're in the next hole. Drag this scoop, 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 scoop. This is how it's looking like now. Need more wool. Yes, so I'm trying to straighten it because I don't want it to curl. If, for instance, I'm trying to make like a bag or a box cover, then I'll allow it to curl. But I'm trying to make like a cloth. So as I go along, I'll just try and stretch it in order to get the desired shape. We thank you, Jehovah. We thank you for the gift of life. You are deserving. You are deserving. Sovereign Jehovah, we thank you for the gifts of life. Waymaker, miracle worker, promise keeper, light in the darkness. That is who you are. Waymaker, miracle worker. So this is what it's looking like now. Light in the darkness, my God. That is who you are. You are moving in our midst. I worship you, Jehovah. I worship you. You are here, moving in this place. I worship you. I worship you. Waymaker, miracle worker, promise keeper, light in the darkness, my God. That is who you are. Waymaker, miracle worker, promise keeper, light in the darkness, my God. That is who you are. You are moving in our midst. I worship you. I worship you. You are moving in our midst. I worship you. I worship you. Waymaker, miracle worker, promise keeper, light in the darkness, my God. That is who you are. Waymaker, miracle worker, promise keeper, light in the darkness, my God. That is who you are. You are moving in our midst. I worship you. I worship you. You are moving in our midst. I worship you. I worship you. Waymaker, miracle worker, promise keeper, light in the darkness, my God. That is who you are. Waymaker, miracle worker, promise keeper, light in the darkness. That is who you are. You are moving in our midst. I worship worship you. I worship you. Waymaker, miracle worker, promise keeper. Light in the darkness. That is who you are. You are awesome in this place, mighty God. You are awesome in this place, our Father. You are worthy of our praise. To you our life we raise. You are awesome in this place, mighty God. You are awesome in this place, mighty God. You are awesome in this place, our Father. You are worthy of our praise. To you our life we raise. You are awesome in this place, mighty God. So, my viewers, I hope you've learned a thing or two. So this is the basics, and this is the base for our cloth. So I'm gonna leave the video here, and then the next time we'll commence from wherever we left off. So this will form the base of our cloth, and then once this finishes, I'm just going to incorporate in another. Maybe I might incorporate in a lighter color before a bold color. So please give me a thumbs up for the video if you like it. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to share the video. And if you haven't subscribed, most importantly, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your bell notification. That way, when I upload a video, you won't get left out. Until then, it's a goodbye from me to you. Take care. Bye.